Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another Shein haul. I'm so excited to share with you guys everything that I got from Shein this time. I'm going to be showcasing a lot of their different shops from their site, like Misguided. They have so many different types of different brands that you're able to choose from. I'm also using a new camera, so I'm not sure how this one looks. It's basically the Canon V10, so I'm really hoping that it looks well. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Essentially, this is the first item, guys. This is a long sleeve black top from the brand Misguided. Preface that this is literally Skims. Like, what? This is literally the exact same feeling as a Skims top. I recently got into Skims like end of last year, really fallen in love with the brand and just how comfortable and like, you know, stretchy and the quality of their clothing is. And I just feel like this top from Misguided from Shein is literally just a complete dupe. Hugs you at your waist. And it's like pretty long, like it's not super cropped, which is honestly kind of refreshing sometimes because, you know, I'm just like sick and tired of a crop top in the winter, like it's just cold. You know, the sleeves look great as well. It's very comfortable, and I'm just pairing it with some like gray lounging around pants, very like athleisure, comfy at home look. And yeah, really highly recommend this top because it is so cute and comfortable. If you guys have watched any of my recent hauls, Shein hauls, I am just really into fur coats this past winter season. Like, I literally am so obsessed with a comfy little fur coat. It not only keeps you warm, but it's so cute in the winter season as well. Like, sometimes I just don't want to wear, you know, a winter coat. Not the cutest sometimes. It's very bulky, but whatever. Like, I think fur coat, it keeps you warm and it's cute. You are killing two birds with one stone. This one is just a creamy colored one, creamy white colored from Misguided. I'm literally so obsessed. So cute. And it has buttons, like a button, like that's how you know, close it. So it's like very easy to maneuver. I'm literally just wearing it on top of the last outfit. This is giving those Instagram fashion model, like model off duty looks, you know what I mean? Where you put like a fur coat on top of like a comfortable outfit. Like, you don't always have to be super extravagant. You can just be very athleisure and it is a complete vibe. So I love this and I highly recommend, like seriously, so obsessed. And I have one similar to this. I got so many compliments already on it and I'm just excited to continue my love for fur coats in 2025. This is the next piece, guys. So this is what it looks like. Essentially just a button down gray cardigan. It's actually really cute and the material is super comfortable as well. I will have everything linked in the description box. I think it's gonna be perfect for a corporate job. Like, this is just the perfect winter cardigan for a corporate job. But yeah, this is usually not what I wear. Like, it's not really my style. But honestly, it's pretty cute and I'm really excited to style it. All right, guys, my camera is out of battery, so I'm just gonna finish the last two pieces on my phone. Again, I'm just wearing the same sweater as before, this little button sweater, and then I put on a little cap from Anina Bang. But it's just this pair of gray pants, kind of like knit material is what it's called, like knit. Like, they give me like an Aritzia vibe. And they're light gray and just super comfortable, and it has like pockets on the side. And I feel like this is gonna look so good with like some Skims tops, like, you know, tighter top on top. I just feel like this light gray is like so cute, versatile, and perfect. So I'm literally obsessed, and let's move on to the last piece. Little gray top. The skirt I'm pairing it with is actually from Yes Style. But yeah, this is what the top looks like. It's gray t-shirt and it's like ribbed and it has like all the buttons going down. Pretty sure a model had this button unbuttoned as well, so it like came unbuttoned, so I'm just wearing it like that. And it's a little girl outfit, which we love. And this top is like, the material is just really soft. I like the color, it's great. I'm pretty sure this item, there's multiple colors that you can choose, so you know, that's amazing as well. I feel like that's always the case, like there's just so many colors to choose from. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything that I wanted to share with you all in the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will have everything linked in the description box. Don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.